Good morning, students. Hope you are fine. Today our topic is addition, class 1, subject maths, and the topic is addition, to add. Let's see. These are balls. They are yellow and these are green. Let's count how many are together. 1, 2, 3. 3 are yellow plus 1, 2, 3, and the 3 are green. How many are together? 6. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some markers are in my left hand and some are in my right hand. Let's count how many are together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 altogether. Okay. Look at this chart. These are clocks. They are 4 plus 4. How many altogether? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many altogether? 8. How many altogether? 8. Okay, these are brown books and these are blue books. Let's count how many altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They are 8 altogether. Okay, these are the pictures of cake. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are 6 altogether. This is your first activity. These are the purple stars and they are green. How many altogether? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They are 7. And the next one, these are squares. Let's count how many green squares and how many red. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The green squares are 6 and the red 1, 2, 3. These are 3. How many altogether? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 9 squares. Okay, these are blue squares. Let's count. 1, 2. They are 2 and then 1, 2. They are 2. How many altogether? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are 4 squares. This is your home activity. Homework page number 6, question number 4. Write in your homework copies. Okay students, hope you enjoy this lesson. Stay home, stay blessed.